Hi, my name is Sarah Lentz, and I'm currently a sophomore at the University of Florida. I'm majoring in business marketing with minors in event management, leadership, and professional selling. I currently work at Gainesville Health and Fitness. I serve on the shadow team and assist in training all new front desk hires. I'm an intern at the Selling Factory and the Academy, as well as the Whoa Gainesville podcast. Outside of my professional and educational experiences, I love giving back to the community. At the age of 9, I was taught how to sew and made blankets for the homeless. During this COVID-19 pandemic, I've had a lot of extra free time on my hands. I've used my passion for sewing and my passion for giving back to the community to make and donate for free over 1,300 masks. Not only have these masks gone to people here in Gainesville, but across the entire nation. I'm really excited for the future to come, to continue to get comfortable being uncomfortable and push myself outside of my comfort zone.